Hello, this is Bruce from One Heart Ministries. Today I want to talk about the Word. Who is or what is the Word in the Bible? Let's go to John chapter 1 right here and see what John says. He says, "In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God." Now that is logos, is what that is. The definition of logos is the thoughts and intents of the heart, or a verbal expression of the thoughts and intents of the heart. That's what the word logos means, which is what was translated as word. If you look right here, logos is the Greek word right here. Logos, okay? Look what it says. It's a word uttered by a living voice. It embodies a conception or an idea, what someone has says, the sayings of God, decree, mandate, order, the moral precept. You get the point. It's what God said. In the beginning, you could say, was the voice of God. Okay? It was the voice of God. We go back to Genesis 1:1 and we see that God, in the beginning, again, John's talking about the same thing. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. And here's how he did it. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. We know that God spoke, and when God speaks, it's a commandment, and it happens because he's God. By the word of the Lord were the heavens made, and all the host of them by the breath of his mouth. See, that's Psalm 33:6, and that's exactly what John is talking about here. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. In the beginning was the intention and the will of God, and God spoke that will and intention. And when he did that, when he spoke that, his thoughts and his intentions, it happened. He said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Don't let anybody tell you that the Logos, or the Word, is a separate person from God. It never says that there. There's nothing in that at all that even hints to the fact that that's another person. That was Philo, a Greek philosopher from Alexandria, that claimed that the Logos was actually the Christ. That is not what that says. That is clear what the Logos is. Logos is simply the verbal expression of the will, which is what God did in the beginning in Genesis 1. He spoke his will. He said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God is a spirit, according to Jesus, and the Spirit hovered over the water and spoke. That's what Genesis said, and that's what John's talking about. Let's get it straight.